a demo to show the CloudStack storage plugin support for Dell EMC PowerFlex, which is also known as VXFlex and ScaleIO previously. A storage pool in PowerFlex can be used as a managed primary storage in CloudStack. It can be added as a zone-wide primary storage or a cluster-wide primary storage. For the demo, I have two PowerFlex installations here, one with two storage pools and the other with one storage pool. Before adding a PowerFlex pool to CloudStack, make sure all the hosts in the zone or the cluster are connected as ScaleIO data clients. I have three hosts here in the CloudStack. Let me check in the PowerFlex installation whether the three hosts are added as ScaleIO data clients and connected to it. You can go to SDCs and check here whether the hosts are connected or not. And check in the other installation. You can see all the three hosts in my CloudStack are connected as ScaleIO data clients here. And now you can able to add the PowerFlex storage pools in the installations as a primary storage. Now let me add a storage pool from one of the installations and perform some VM and volume operations. Navigate to primary storage in the infrastructure section and click on add primary storage. Select the scope as zone or cluster. Selecting zone here. Select hypervisor as KVM. Select the zone. Provide a custom name for the PowerFlex storage pool. Select protocol as custom and provider as PowerFlex. Now enter the PowerFlex gateway and storage pool details. This is the gateway for first PowerFlex installation. Provide the username and password. And add the storage pool. Storage pool. And add a tag to the pool. ShapeBlue. And use this tag in the offerings to create volumes in this pool. Click on OK. Now you can see the PowerFlex pool is being added as a primary storage here. You can check the disk, total disk size in the pool, which matches with this capacity. Now let me add some offerings with the tag. Create a complete offering with the VXFlex tag. Create the version 1 code. Provide the storage tag as VXFlex. Now let me create a disk offering with VXFlex storage tag. I have created compute and disk offerings with VXFlex tag. Now let me go and create a VM using the tag. So template and the offering as PowerFlex instance. Use the same network. Now launch the VM. Now you can see in the storage that template will be seeded before actually creating the VM, and it is mapped to one of the hosts which is connected as SDCs. Once the template is seeded, a volume will be created from the seeded template. You can see here, and it will be mapped to the same SDC. And once the volume is created, the template is unmapped from the SDC. The volumes created are in the raw format, and the volume size is rounded to the nearest 8 GB, as the PowerFlex uses 8 GB disk boundary. Still it's creating. Let us give some time for the VM to create. So the VM is created successfully, and you can see the template is unmapped from the SDC, and only the root volume is mapped so that it can be accessed from the host. Now let me go and create a data disk and attach to the VM. So whatever size we provide, it will be rounded to the nearest 8 GB boundary. Let me attach. You can see a new disk is created and it is mapped to the same host. You can see the disk is attached to the VM, and if you go to any of the disks, you can see the path, unique path ID from the PowerFlex and the name as in the PowerFlex. So this name can be used to map the volume in the PowerFlex. This one, and each volume is prefixed with a short resource type with ID followed by 4 characters in the storage pool and CloudStack installation identifier, which can be found in the global settings here. The global setting is a CS custom identifier. This identifier is basically used to differentiate the volumes of different CloudStack installations when the same PowerFlex is stored across multiple CloudStack installations. Now, let me stop the VM. You can see the volumes are unmapped in the host. Once the VM is stopped, let us give some time for the VM to stop. You can see now the VM is stopped here, and the volumes, both root and data volumes, are detached or unmapped from the SDC. Now let me go and detach the volume from the VM. And now the volume is detached here. Go to the instances and start the VM. You can see only the root volume is now mapped to the SDC. The other volume is detached from the VM. Most of the VM and volume operations are supported. Now coming to volume migration, a volume can be migrated from one PowerFlex pool to another PowerFlex pool in either the same installation or in a different installation. Within the same installation, the volume is migrated with snapshots using volume tree migration in PowerFlex, and across different installations, volume is migrated without snapshots using block copy. This migration is supported only when the VM is stopped or for the detached volumes. To demonstrate the migration, now let me stop the VM and add other PowerFlex tools. Let me go to the infrastructure and primary storage and add other PowerFlex storage pool here. So let's show how to use SKVM. Adding another storage pool in the same PowerFlex installation. Give the storage pool name and provide the same storage tag here. And now add the storage pool of other storage pool installation. Custom and my gateway for second installation. Provide the gateway credentials and the storage pool name. Now other pools are added as primary storages here. Let me try and migrate operation from one of the volumes in PowerFlex pool. You can either select pool from same installation or different installation. Let me select from other installation. Now see a volume is being copied here. Once the copy is success, the source volume get deleted here. This copy is basically performed using a block copy. Similarly, you can migrate volume to pool of the same instance. You can see the volume in the CS pool 1 and now I'm migrating to the pool 2. And it is being migrated. Let us wait for the root volume to migrate, and it successfully migrated to the pool in the second instance. And you can see the volume in the source pool got deleted. And the volume is created in the target pool. And now you can start the VM and see. The VM is started and you can see the root volume is mapped to one of the SDCs where the VM is running. So this is the IP of the host where VM is running, and the volume is mapped to the same SDC in the PowerFlex. That's all on PowerFlex. Thank you. Hope you got to know how PowerFlex tool is being used as a primary storage tool